With raw materials becoming increasingly scarce, it is vital that alternative solutions are sourced. As the world's largest flooring manufacturer, Mohawk Industries is committed to sustainability and developing innovative and environmentally friendly flooring solutions.
I think we have really three constituencies that we focus on in our sustainable business. Number one, first and foremost, it's what our customers demand. Sustainable products are essentially the competitive advantage today, as well as a requirement of many customers across all the distribution channels that we serve. We also have a second constituency, which is our shareholders. And lastly, and most importantly, our employees.
One of these sustainable business innovations is EverStrand, a carpet made from recycled plastic bottles.
Sustainable products for us is a piece of what we do, a very big piece of what we do. It's important to our customers, it's important to us as a business to have products that are sustainable, if not environmentally friendly. But overall, it's just good business. From our processes to our products and how we design the product that goes into a home or a business.
EverStrand is made in Somerville, Georgia, where Mohawk operates the world's largest integrated plastic bottle recycling facility. Even the caps and labels are transformed into other useful products. The manufacture of EverStrand carpets from these recycled bottles minimizes consumption of oil resources. It is this process that has allowed Mohawk to find an environmental and economical solution to carpet production.
Our EverStrand line of carpets are probably our best example of sustainable innovation for a product. And we do that in two different types of fiber. We do one that's 100% recycled content and one that is a new innovation for us in a BCF, a bulk continuous filament. So it gives us more styling options with that product, but it also has a recycled content that can go up to 50%. So we've taken a product that again was 100% petrochemical. We've gone to recycled product there, and we've done an additional sustainable innovation to take that into a total different category for us over the last 2 to 3 years.
Approximately 1 in 5 plastic bottles recycled in North America becomes an EverStrand carpet. The bottles come from all over North America, and every year Mohawk receives an average of around 3 billion bottles. Each bottle is sorted into color-coded segments, then ground into chips. Remarkably, 14,000 plastic bottles become EverStrand carpet every minute, making Mohawk one of the largest recyclers of plastic bottles in the flooring industry and North America. This process has so far allowed Mohawk to keep more than 1 billion pounds of plastic out of landfills. SmartStrand with DuPont Sorona is another facet of Mohawk's altogether different carpet making. Mohawk works in conjunction with science company DuPont to create flooring solutions made from corn sugar.
DuPont uses biotechnology to make renewably sourced materials, and the key ingredient in Sorona is BioPDO, which is made in a proprietary fermentation process. So it's kind of like making beer, except the alcohol that we need in this case is the BioPDO, which then we work with our customers to convert that polymer into a fiber form that can be used as a carpet fiber. With Mohawk, we found a company that shared our vision and was also willing to make the commitment to see it through to success.
The process begins with corn being planted and grown in fields across America. When the corn is fully matured, it is harvested and sent to the DuPont facility. Here it produces a revolutionary polymer called Sorona, made from renewable corn sugar. This is then spun into SmartStrand fiber by Mohawk and tufted into carpet in the exact same way that the plastic bottles are. With the versatility and renewable capabilities of corn sugar, this partnership has given birth to yet another environmentally friendly solution.
Well, one of the big challenges that DuPont is taking on is reducing dependency on fossil fuels. And Sorona is partially derived from a plant feedstock, which is renewable in an annual crop cycle, as opposed to oil, which takes millions of years to produce.
It really is a benchmark product for us. It is one of our true competitive advantage, and SmartStrand Sorona is essentially a yarn system that's used in the manufacturing of carpeting. And it represents really a breakthrough technology in terms of that it is a fiber system that is both bio-based, which obviously has sustainable and environmental benefits over traditional petrochemical-based products, but at the same time is combined with actual performance advantages that it meet or exceed, in most cases exceed, the existing petro products that it's replacing. And we think this is really a breakthrough for the contract end of the business. The contract end usually has higher performance criteria of the products, and the reality is a lot of the recycled content products don't tend to hold up as well in those markets. We really believe we've solved that.
37% of DuPont Sorona is made from renewable resources. The production of Smart Strand Sorona reduces greenhouse gas emissions by up to 63% over petroleum-based nylon. And Mohawk is planning to continue with its environmental innovations.
If we look at the last 5 years, it's incredible the amount of change that we've seen in our own platform, but the next 5 years I think are literally dwarf the moves that we've made in product. And probably the biggest area that we see is the amount of recycled content that we can use in the products. We want to make sure that we can over time lower our cost structure to maintain a competitiveness, which is very important on a global scale, but at the same time the more and more resources that are essentially waste resources that we could use, that's essentially less and less that we have to take from the petrochemical chain, and we think that is one of the most important attributes that we have in our business platform.
With the flooring industry providing essential materials to an ever-increasing number of homes and businesses around the globe, Mohawk is confident that its new innovations will not only help protect future resources, but ensure a sustainable business model for the future.